Hey guys, welcome back to SKUSavvy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to manage your products, variants, and inventory in SKUSavvy step by step. So if you've been clicking around, trying to figure out where everything lives, what you can edit, and how it all connects, this video should make things a whole lot easier. Let's jump in. Step 1. Start in your products section. The first thing you want to do is head over to your products section in SKUSavvy. This is basically your main hub for viewing everything in your catalog. If you already have Shopify connected, your products should automatically import into SKUSavvy along with the details attached to them. So in most cases, it's best to create or update products in Shopify first, then let those changes flow into SKUSavvy. Once you're in the products area, you'll see your catalog and can start clicking into specific items. Step 2. Open a product to see the big picture. This is where you can see key details like product tags, whether the item is physical or digital, whether it's perishable, and the list of variants connected to that product. So before you even get into stock or barcode details, this page helps you understand what kind of item you're working with. And if a product has multiple versions, like size, color, scent, or style, those will show up here as variants. Step 3. Go into a variant for item-specific details. This is where you'll see the more specific details for that exact item. For each variant, you can view things like SKU, price, barcode, variant options like size or color, and whether the item is on backorder. For example, if you need to add a barcode, update a barcode, or manage multiple barcodes. And if you create a new barcode in Shopify, that barcode will sync into SKUSavvy as well. SKUSavvy can also generate internal barcodes for items that don't have one, which is really helpful if you want a more organized scanning workflow. Step 4. Review dimensions and units of measure. While you're still in the variant view, check the item dimensions and units of measure. Dimensions are important because they help SKUSavvy recommend box sizes during fulfillment. So if your dimensions are off, your packing suggestions may not be as accurate. And if you work with units of measure, like buying in cases but storing or selling in individual units, SKUSavvy can manage those relationships too. That way, inventory stays accurate no matter how the item is received or sold. Step 5. Check inventory for that variant. Now let's get into inventory. Once you're inside a variant, scroll to the inventory section. This is where you can see how much stock you have, which warehouses it's in, the exact bin locations, committed stock, expected inbound inventory. This is one of the most useful parts of the platform. If you need to adjust inventory, you can do that directly from this area. If you need to add stock to a new bin location, you can do that here too. And if you want to check minimum and max levels for replenishment, those are visible in this section as well. Step 6. Review vendors and purchasing info. If you want to manage supplier information, go to the vendor section for that variant. Here you can see which vendors supply that item, the vendor SKU, unit type, and unit cost. Step 7. Use the products table to sort, filter, and find items faster. When you go back to your products table, you can customize how you view everything. You can also click from a variant directly into Shopify if you want to compare or edit the product there, and those changes will sync back into SKUSavvy. So that's a step-by-step look at how to manage your products, variants, and inventory in SKUSavvy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.